Also new at 6 tonight, California's Reparations Task Force today postponed its vote to decide who specifically will be eligible for restitution from the state. The task force is tangled in a debate on this. The group is responsible for studying and proposing reparations, including possible financial compensation for Black Californians. 17's Ashley Zavala is in our Sacramento bureau with the latest.
To table the discussion.
In a 5-4 vote, California's Reparations Task Force delayed its decision on who exactly should get restitution from the state.
I don't want to feel like we're rushed into something because it's been brilliant arguments on all sides, and I just think we can flesh this out a little bit more.
The postponement came after an hour worth of public comment and then an hour-and-a-half long debate between task force members trying to decide if the eligibility requirements should be based on lineage or race. Lineage-based would include Black Californians who can trace back to their ancestors to show they are direct descendants of slaves. But critics say that could be difficult to prove and exclude many. Legal experts have said race-based eligibility could be too broad and be struck down in court. The chair of the task force says she supports the lineage-based standard, saying she supports partnering with Black-owned genealogy and DNA companies to help.
In California, the fifth largest economy in the world, is making a declarative statement that we care about the descendants of enslaved people and we're committed to repairing them.
Member Lisa Holder said she supports a tiered eligibility system that begins with direct descendants of slaves but extends to others.
In this moment, we have to embrace this concept that Black lives matter, not just a sliver of those Black lives, because Black lives are in danger, especially today.
The debate comes after the lawmaker who wrote the legislation that created the task force in the first place, now Secretary of State Shirley Weber, made clear her idea of reparations were meant to go to direct descendants of slaves. The task force has spent the last 7 months studying the harm from slavery along with race and discrimination against Black Americans economically, socially, and politically. Who is eligible and what reparations could be provided are two key parts of the task force's responsibilities, with a deadline to report to the legislature by 2023.
So I pray that we will come to common ground.
The task force will meet next in March. In Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, 17 News.